Devín Castle, the mysterious guardian of Devon. Perched on a rocky cliff above the confluence of the Danube and Morava rivers, Devín Castle stands as a testament to the glory of Great Moravia, the onslaught of the Crusaders, and the devastating attacks of Napoleon's armies. These are not just stone ruins, they are echoes of the stories that took place here. Legend recounts the tale of a young virgin who, driven to despair, leapt into the waves of the Danube when she was prohibited from engaging in sexual relations. Subsequent to this historical event, the Maiden Tower has come to symbolize the tragic fate of the region. It is possible that when the wind passes through the old walls, it carries her unspoken lament. However, Devon is not merely a site of remembrance, it is a location imbued with hope, a place to which Slovaks have consistently returned to reflect on their collective past. Even the writers of Stour sought inspiration in this locale. When one finds oneself positioned on the fortifications and beholding the turbulent river, a sense of connection with those who inhabited, engaged in combat, and harbored aspirations in this location may be experienced. Devon is not merely a fortification, it is a living narrative that is being inscribed in the hearts of those who visit this location. Bratislava is a beautiful city on the Danube. It's a place where history and modernity meet, creating a unique and vibrant atmosphere. Imagine a castle on a hill, a guardian of the past. Just above the horizon, we can see a TV tower nestled among the lush greenery of the Carpathian Mountains. And further on, we're excited to explore a mysterious castle. The Plavecky Castle, a medieval-era fortification, serves as a sentinel within the verdant expanse of the small Carpathians. The edifice was constructed in the 13th century as a fortification intended to protect against raids. Subsequently, it served as the residence of nobles. The site is situated above the village of Plavecky Podrady, where its ruins serve as a testament to the passage of time. In the 18th century, the castle was destroyed by a fire, marking the site's eventual demolition. It was forsaken, relegated to the passage of time. It became a mere silent witness of the past. The mound of Milan Rastislav Štefánik at Bradlow Hills is a symbol of respect to the great Slovak visionary. Built in the year 1928 according to the design of Dušan Jurković, it commemorates his merits for the freedom of the nation.